Have you ever gazed up at the night sky, wondering if we're alone in this vast universe? What if I told you that there might be valuable lessons we can learn from beings not of this earth? Today, we embark on an intergalactic journey of knowledge, exploring the fascinating world of aliens and the wisdom they might offer. Throughout history, humans have been captivated by the possibility of extraterrestrial life. Ancient civilizations left behind clues hinting at encounters with celestial visitors, sparking our imagination and curiosity. In this quest for understanding, we shall uncover the potential insights that alien existence might bring, transcending borders and time. The quest for unity in diversity. Imagine if we could make contact with extraterrestrial civilizations. It would surely highlight the significance of unity in diversity. In the face of cosmic encounters, our differences in culture, beliefs, and appearance would pale in comparison to the greater tapestry of life. The mere possibility of meeting aliens reminds us that we are part of a larger universe, bound together as one human species. Embracing diversity becomes not just an ideal but a crucial necessity for our collective survival and prosperity. Scientists have long been scanning the stars for signs of intelligent life. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SCI, unites minds from diverse backgrounds, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and technology. It's a collaborative effort, transcending borders and nations, fueled by the dream of making cosmic connections. This pursuit teaches us that cooperation and shared aspirations can lead to remarkable advancements both in the field of science and in creating a better world for everyone. The humbling nature of cosmic realities, contemplating the vastness of the cosmos, inevitably humbles us. The universe extends billions of light years in all directions, with uncountable galaxies, each containing billions of stars. If we ever encountered an advanced alien civilization, their knowledge and achievements could dwarf our own. This humbling encounter would remind us that, despite our progress, there's always more to learn and discover. Such humbling realizations inspire curiosity and a sense of wonder. They encourage us to look beyond our immediate concerns, fostering a desire to explore the unknown and to continuously push the boundaries of human capabilities. The possibility of meeting extraterrestrial beings, even if never realized, serves as a constant reminder that the pursuit of knowledge is a never-ending journey, limited only by our imagination and determination. Confronting our own challenges, the search for alien life prompts us to confront the challenges we face on our own planet. As we look for life beyond Earth, we are forced to reflect on our treatment of our home planet and its limited resources. Considering that alien civilizations might have overcome their environmental challenges, we gain insights into how vital it is to preserve and protect our planet for future generations. Learning from hypothetical communication. Imagine the day we make contact with an alien civilization. Such an encounter would require effective communication and empathetic understanding. To communicate with beings entirely different from us, we'd need to develop new methods and technologies. The process of reaching out to extraterrestrial beings could also help us explore the depths of human emotions and develop a deeper sense of empathy for one another. Effective communication with aliens requires patience, humility, and a willingness to learn. The experience of communicating across vast cosmic distances may also inspire us to improve our communication skills here on Earth. By learning to bridge gaps with beings from different worlds, we might become more adept at resolving conflicts and understanding one another, fostering greater global harmony. In conclusion, while the existence of aliens remains uncertain, the lessons we can learn from contemplating the possibility are very real. The dream of making contact with extraterrestrial civilizations has the power to unify humanity, stimulate scientific progress, instill humility, encourage environmental responsibility, and develop effective communication and empathy. Pondering about aliens challenges us to become better versions of ourselves, pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve and encouraging us to look beyond our immediate concerns. So let us keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep learning. The universe is full of wonders, and it's up to us to uncover them. The pursuit of knowledge and understanding, both within and beyond our world, is an endless journey that enriches our lives and makes us better stewards of our planet. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and embrace the mysteries of the cosmos.